In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Tor browser app. So if you have been getting a lot of errors whenever you try to open this app, maybe it keeps on crashing or it can't just open at all, then let me show you how you can fix this and get your browser up and running. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page, and that's where we shall do our first troubleshooting. Now, to access the Tor browser app information page, it is quite simple. Just go to settings and I'll look for settings here. And from here, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Tap on it and then you will see apps here. Now, depending on your smartphone, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. This process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, look for this option called manage apps. For some smartphones, it might be written all apps. Go ahead and tap on it, and then this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, mine is here. If the list is too long, you can as well, or if you can't see your app, you can as well search it here. So I'll proceed and tap on my Tor browser app, and you can see I'm on the app information page here. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. For this, just go back and look for your browser, and here I am, and then long press on it and you'll see app info. If you tap on it, now you can see it will take you to the same page. From here, we want to make our first troubleshooting by clearing the app cache data, and you can simply do this by tapping on clear data. So if I come here under storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache files, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your browser not to function. So to clear them, look for this option called clear data here, and then tap on clear cache, and then okay, and as you can see, the cache data for this app has been cleared. From here, start your smartphone and then try opening your app, and now it should be working fine. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the data for your app and then try opening it. So if these two methods didn't solve your problem, then head to the third and the last method, and that is to look for any update through Google Play Store or App Store for this app. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. So I'll come to Play Store here and tap on it. Then look for your app. As you can see, mine is here. Look for any option called update. If you find it, go ahead and tap on update to fix these issues. One of the problems why your app might be malfunctioning is because you've been using an outdated version of Tor browser. So by updating it to the latest version, you'll be able to fix these problems and get your app running. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.